y'all still love me. Well, I still love you. And here's another video. Woo-hoo. I know I'm the worst. But this is a different one. It's a makeup tutorial, or just watch me do my makeup, whatever. I needed it to do the Don't Rush challenge. And I did it for my church, St. Mark U.P.C. Woo woo. I'll put all of our information down in the description box so y'all can go check us out. Come visit. Come get an experience with Jesus. Come to the depth. Hallelujah. But yeah, it's for my church, our Don't Rush challenge. And it's going to be lit because we have some beautiful women. I mean, that shouldn't be a reason to go, but hey. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep watching. And thank you to all of my supporters who've been continuing to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and just share my stuff. Especially for my people who trying to get their hair together, you know. Share my videos, because I know a lot of y'all be wanting to know how to get your hair popping. I need to do an updated video as well because I just found a new product. And yeah, so yeah, thank y'all and hope you enjoy. Mwah.
Okay, you guys, so I'm going to start off with a freshly moisturized face. I'm going to brush my eyebrows with my spoolie. Then I'm going to line them up with my eyebrow pencil that I got from Walmart, the Wet n Wild brand. That's just about $2 for the 2-pack. And then I just even them out as evenly as I can. Okay, some girls use concealer to even out their eyebrows or to make them clean, but me, most of the time I use my foundation. I use the shade 355 or Coconut and the matte version of Fit Me Maybelline by Maybelline. So yeah, that's how I clean up my brows, by my foundation. And I'm using my concealer brush from e.l.f. Now, ladies, we all know that our primary goal is to get our eyebrows as twins, but my eyebrows never loved me. They're not even sisters at this point. They're first cousins, so that's why I made that face. But it's okay, so I just blend it out even anyway, and my hair is going to pretty much cover one of my eyebrows anyway. So I just live with it. As long as they look okay individually, then it should be fine. So yeah, now I'm doing my foundation. I already told you it was the matte Fit Me by Maybelline. So I don't really use too much because I actually have pretty decent skin. So I just use a little dab here and dab there. And then I go in with my foundation brush and I just blend it all out. I think it's by, what is this, BH Cosmetics, I believe, the 114 brush. And then to conceal, I use the Pro Concealer, and it's in the shade Cool Tan. And I also use one that I just got from the Milani brand, the Conceal+Perfect concealer. I use the shade 160. So I blend those and I conceal my face. And this is the most tedious part of doing your makeup, the blending process. Now, this can make or break your face, literally. So if you don't blend correctly or blend long enough, you might as well not have your face and makeup on because it looks horrible. So yeah, this is a lot of clips of me blending and blending. Trust me, I've cut a whole lot of clips out and I still have a lot of me blending. So yeah, you guys, you have to keep blending until it's all even. And this is me with my blending brush, and it's e.l.f. Cosmetics, and it's the ultimate blending brush. And I contour with Black Radiance, the contour stick, and it's 8003, that's the number. And I contour the normal places. I blend in my contour with my contour brush, and it's the Real Techniques, and it's actually called the contour brush. I actually just got this brush a few months ago, and I love this brush. I used to use my beauty blender, but once I found a contour brush, I'm never going back. This brush saved my contouring life because I didn't think I knew how to contour before I got the brush, and now it just makes my life easier. The next step is baking. So I will be using my banana luxury powder, and it's by Ben Nye. I actually was gifted this by a friend, and now I love it because I used to just use translucent powder, but this has been the perfect shade for me for baking. And sometimes I go overboard, but it's okay because I know how to fix it. So yeah, that's me going overboard, so sorry, do not do that. So yeah, I put it everywhere that I put my concealer, and I let it sit for the remainder of the time that I do my makeup. I also put it under, or I line where I put my contour so it can be as chiseled as possible. Now I'm still working on this technique, but so far it still looks good. And this is me putting on my lashes. Now I don't remember where I got them from because I do reuse lashes, but yeah, I don't remember where I got them from, and it took me a minute to put them on. So yeah, this is me doing my lashes. Now it's time for me to take off my baking powder. So I use my e.l.f. Total Face Brush, and I just wipe it off. I go front to back or side to side and wipe it off. And I just wipe it all the way off everywhere else. Once 99% of the baking powder is off, I take my blending brush again and I just blend everything out all over my face, and this is how I get my almost final look of my face. I just blend everything out to make sure everything's nice and even and not caked up. Next is one of everybody's favorite part, which is highlight. I use the MAC Extra Dimensions. It's old, I've had it forever. So yeah, I put it under my brow bone, well, on top of my brow bone. I just love to have my eyebrows having that extra shine. I put it on the top of my lip, the cupid's bow. I put it on my nose, and I also, with my nose and my cheeks, I apply it with my highlighter brush. I also was gifted this, so I don't know where it's from. So yeah, I just love highlighter. Sometimes I go extra and overboard, but you can't go too much. And then next, I line my lips with my eyebrow pencil. It's just brown. After I finish lining my lips, I go in with my MAC matte lipstick in the shade Strip Me Down. It's just a basic nude, which I really love. It goes good with my skin tone. And then after I'm done with that, I'll spray my face with the matte finish spray by NYX. Thank you all for watching. I hope you love the look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.